Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps the students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Guntur district. Let us discuss one by one what are the job openings available in this location. Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for Bandhan Bank all over India, and they have 3,656 bank units and 1,045 general banking branches, and they have a openings for 45,549 job roles. You can check with the job description details, and this is a field job. If you see, qualifications should be minimum 20 to 32 years of age between, and that is maximum age is 32 years, and should have 10 plus 2 qualification and above, and you should have a bike or scooty, and should have driving license as well. So this is a field work. And then if you see, they are going to give a fixed salary and PF, medical claims, insurance, gratuity, like this, and based on your performance your salary will be revised. So you should have a PAN card, and you should have a Aadhaar card, everything, and you should share your resume or CV along with your documents to the provided email ID. Email ID is territory@bandhanbank.com. So this is the email ID you have to share. If you have any questions, let me know in below in comments. I'll be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for several vacancies for Concertina Pharmaceuticals. They are looking for medical representatives and area sales manager, regional and zonal sales manager. Medical representatives, they have several openings for the locations Hyderabad, Warangal, Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Tirupati, Kadapa, Anantapur, Kurnool, Nellore, Ongole, Guntur, Vijayawada, Eluru, Bhimavaram, Rajahmundry, Kakinada, Vizag and Srikakulam. For all these locations, they are looking for medical representatives. And qualification, if we see, should have 3 years of relevant experience, that is must, and up to 29 years of age will be considered. Salary is negotiable based upon your experience and skill set. And for area sales manager, they are looking for the locations Hyderabad, Warangal, Tirupati, Kurnool, Vijayawada, Vizag and Rajahmundry. Minimum 3 years of experience is required in managerial cardiology experience, and up to 35 years of age will be considered, and salary is negotiable based upon your skill set and experience. And they are looking for regional and zonal sales manager for Hyderabad location, should have 10 to 15 years of experience and should have a exposure to the regions like Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and up to 45 years of age will be considered. Salary is negotiable based upon your experience and skill set. You can share your resume at the provided email ID to reach before December 30th. The email ID is concertinaparmaceuticals@gmail.com. If you find any difficulty in getting information here, you can comment below. I will be letting you know. I will be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for Jayalakshmi Maruti Car Dealers, Gunturu. They are looking for new placements for workshop. They have 12 vacancies for that. Qualification, if you see, ITI or Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. And they are looking for workshop managers. 2 vacancies available. And auditing, should have a knowledge of accounts, and minimum auditing experience is required. And they are also looking for female administrator to handle a team. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. And there is also workshop phone number provided. Contact numbers are 9100787082 and 7893117111. Next, there is a job openings for Apex Solutions Limited. They are looking for junior CAD engineer, qualification, diploma in mechanical or civil engineering or Bachelor of Technology in mechanical or civil engineering, and should have a knowledge of AutoCAD. Attractive salary will be offered. You can directly walk in and written test and interview will be there from 10:30 a.m. like from 10:30 a.m. onwards, all weekdays at Apex Solutions Limited Company. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9392757696 and 9502959494. Next, there is a job openings for Sansai Group. It is a like walk-in interview. They have several openings and they are looking for the locations Nalgonda, Miryalaguda, Suryapet and Kodad. If you see, they have openings for workshop manager, assistant service manager, floor in charge, accounts manager, senior sales executives, spare parts manager, senior technicians, service advisors, junior accountant. For all these positions, they have vacancies, and they have also provided the what are the requirements qualifications here. You can check with that. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, and they have also included the contact numbers. Email ID is sansaa.hr@gmail.com and contact numbers are 9160800028 and 7738186865. Next, there is a job openings for Aditya Degree Colleges. They are looking for several subjects lecturers like they have for the colleges located in North Andhra and Godavari districts to teach BSc, BCA, BBA, BCom classes for the subjects mathematics, computers, artificial intelligence, commerce, microbiology, digital marketing, physics, statistics, data sciences, management, biochemistry, hotel management, chemistry, electronics, animation, forensic science, biotechnology, English and Telugu. And also they are looking for arithmetic and reasoning soft skills trainers as well. So for all these subjects, they have openings for lecturer positions. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information if you have any questions or queries. They have also included the email ID to forward your resume, and they are also looking for librarians and lab demonstrator for all science labs, and they are also looking for hardware technicians for computer labs. So you can share your resume at the provided email ID. The email ID is career@aditya.ac.in and contact numbers are 0884237665 and 0884238539 and mobile number is 9704376667. They also included the official website address. You can browse it and get to know more information on this. Next, there is a job openings for Andhra Layola Institute of Engineering and Technology. They are looking for faculty positions to teach mechanical engineering and electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, computer science engineering, and information technology departments. For all these departments, they are looking for professors, associate professors, assistant professors. Minimum qualification is as per AICTE norms, and special consideration like preference will be given to the PhD candidates. You can share your resume and along with your biodata application and 2 passport size photographs and Xerox copies of your certificates to reach by December 20th to the provided address. You can check the address details here, and they have also included the official contact number. You can contact if you have any questions or queries, and there is also email ID available. You can check with that alietbza@gmail.com and contact number is 086624766161. Next, there is a job openings for Garuda International Courier Organization. They are looking for pickup and packing boys. Preference will be given to the Gunduru candidates and salary offered up to 6,000 per month. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8374555811. Next, there is a job openings for Concord Dental Hospital located in Kottapeta, Gunturu. They are looking for dental assistant and general surgery assistant and should have experience. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9676333435. Next, there is a job openings for Sovereign Agri Industries. They are looking for chemist, and should have they are looking for chemist, qualification is BSc or MSc, and accountant position should have a BCom or MCom along with tally knowledge. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9154037443. Next, there is a job opening for Sri Venkateswara Rice and General Stores near Large Center, Gunturu. Should have they are looking for both male and female workers. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9848246748. Next, there is a job opening for Bhavadip Jewelers. Should have a 10 years of experience as an accountant. They are looking for accountant position. The office timings will be 10 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 6262133133. Next, there is a job openings for HP Gas Company. They are looking for computer operators and a mechanic and attendant staff. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7032908705. Next, there is a job opening for Happy Home. They are looking for accountant position. Salary offered up to 20,000 per month. Should have a 3 years of experience and should have knowledge of MS Excel and Tally. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9390308674. Next, there is a job opening for NXT Digital Cable TV. They are looking for technicians, boys and helpers and marketing executives. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7661975777. Next, there is a job opening for 3M Ayurvedic Hospital. They are looking for assistants. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role. And minimum 7th to inter qualification is required. Location is 16/3 Arandalpet, Gunturu. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact numbers are 83095000238 and 086322156669. Next, there is a job openings for jewelry shop. They are looking for sales executives. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. Should have a 2 years of experience. Location is like Hari Jewelers, Bradipet, 4th line, Gunturu. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9666777888. Next, there is a job opening for Couplechits Private Limited. They are looking for divisional managers and collection managers and collection assistants. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9505022050 and 8498088671. Next, there is a job opening for Prabhu Digitals. They are looking for designers. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. And job location is 4/5 Arandalpet, Gunturu. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 8520013939 and 9502346789. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more job updates as early as possible for Gunturu district location. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more job openings videos. I'll be updating as early as possible with the latest job openings moving forward as well. Please share our channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Have a great day.